we need dough 1 kilogram, cinnamon 25 grams, butter 80 grams and sugar 200 grams. Let's start. First, roll out the dough with a rolling pin. Then make a rectangle shape. Add butter 18 grams and 2 centimeters of top. We don't add butter. Now we add our mixture of cinnamon and sugar. After it, we do roll. And finish with our roll. Big and fat. Now we cut our roll on small parts. We put in the oven for 30 minutes at a temperature of 180 degrees. Now we will start preparing the cream. We will need cream cheese 200 grams, butter 70 grams, powdered sugar 100 grams. We just combine all ingredients. Our cream is ready, and now we will add it to our cinnabons. Let's do it. Look at them, oh so sweetie. We add to our cinnabons. Look at this, guys, just look. So sweetie and beauty.